welcome to episode 2 of CYID's
Spouse for House.
I am Siming.
I'm Awin.
And together we are from Cheng Yi Interior Design. So today we'll be walking you through the renovation process, what it's like working with us, from the start when we first meet our clients all the way to the end as we hand over. Are you ready? Let's go. Upon confirmation, we come up with a 3D virtual reality mock-up for you to visualize your home before the works begin. As this is a resale flat, we have to do an extensive amount of space planning and configuring the house to meet the homeowner's needs and lifestyles.
For this home in particular, the owners have specific feng shui requirements to incorporate into the home, so we will be taking that into consideration as well when designing the space.
What we had in mind when we purchased this flat was to transform it into a relaxing place for us to come home to.
We saw that trendy interior design style is very aligned with what we wanted, which was a Muji and wooden theme, so we are looking forward to seeing the end product.
This is a 1,215 square feet resale HDB in Serangoon.
Wow, so big!
Very big.
We're finally here at the most exciting part of our reno journey. Are you ready to check it out? Let's go!
So the moment you walk in, right over here you can see a full height display storage cabinet.
So what we actually did is that we concealed the bomb shelter behind over there just to really make the space feel a lot more seamless. And then over here, we actually have these glass fluted panels with some carpentry slats at the bottom just to really give the illusion of privacy while still making the space feel very light and open.
The homeowner have cats, that's why we've built many cat-friendly features into our space.
So for example, like these carpentry slats over here, so we really try to incorporate all the stairs leading up high. So even though it's building very high up, because HDB ceilings also not very tall, so we try to keep as much as possible light wood tones in a very friendly space for the cats to use, as you can see up there.
The LED light below the TV console gives the living area a very warm and inviting feeling.
So fun fact, another warm and inviting space that we tried to build for the owners is that they actually purchased this loose wood piece off the shelves themselves, and we actually made use of the excess wood pieces that we had to build this carpentry feature wall over here, just to really incorporate more of the living space for the cats to really play around as well. So many small pieces of wood we attached to the wall like this, just to give them another seamless attachment and connection to the rest of the carpentry in the house.
Moving on to the study area, our homeowner tends to work from home. That's why we have created this space for them to be comfortable and conducive.
So what we tried to do was to integrate both the study area over here together with the living room area, just so that it's one really big space. We also wanted to craft out many pockets of spaces within the same area for them to use in their daily lives.
For the kitchen countertop, we choose Compact Plus for its sleek profile to accommodate the dishwasher. We also choose a darker wood tone because it is more forgiving for heavy use.
Another thing that we did was build these double layer top cabinets because we needed to conceal the pipes right at the top, and bonus is that it gives you a lot more added storage also. So for this feature over here, we actually hacked down the portion of this wall just to build these carpentry slats because the owners needed this to be a semi-open space for their feng shui reasons also.
This is the master bathroom. Over here, we have the mild steel mirror that we customized to fit in this space.
So lighting plays a vital role in setting the ambience for spaces, and therefore, we installed these LED strips here for a sleek and warm look. So we're here in the master bedroom space and we wanted to create a very semi-open but still private area for the homeowners. So in the form of these glass fluted panels here again to incorporate some of the elements from the living room. So coming inwards, we also built a whole carpentry feature wall over here, incorporating more of the design elements from the living room just to make the space feel a lot more connected as well.
As the homeowner wanted to have a walk-in wardrobe, we have custom designed these long handles to break off the mundane colours of the solid colour and as well as to elongate the height of the ceiling.
So that brings us to the end of our walkthrough. Thanks for coming along. So we'll now be inviting the homeowners to share a few of their words and experiences on this journey with us.
Bye!
Why did you choose trendy interior?
I think our answer is that the ideas that came from Erwin was very unique, very similar to what we have visualized. He actually gave us a lot of inputs and the ideas of what we want, and it knits into the design that many other IDs that we visited were unable to fulfill, such as the walk-in wardrobe and especially the unique cat space that we actually quite surprised of it by the idea. Overall, how was your experience working with trendy interior design?
The overall experience, I think, is pretty awesome. Erwin actually took care most of the renovation issues and tasks. He gave us a peace of mind when working with him. He sorted out any obstacle and issue faced without us needing to worry about the renovation progress and status.
Alright, so what were some of your favourite spaces in the house?
Me first.
Erwin?
My personal favourite space would be the master bedroom.
Why?
I think with the ambience lighting, the feature wall, definitely you get a very good night's sleep.
That's very true. Do you agree? Good night's sleep.
Definitely.
Then what about your favourite spaces in the house?
My favourite places will be the walk-in wardrobe. There's many IDs that aren't able to implement that, and he was able to do it. And then I like it when I actually open the door and then it has lights on. Yeah.
I'll show yourself.
What I like is he's able to do the master bedroom with the walk-in wardrobe and the wall feature very nicely done up, and it complement each other. They actually fit all as a whole, giving it a very cozy space to us, and definitely a good night's sleep.
That's great. That's great to hear, guys. Okay, so next question. Were there any challenges or hurdles that we faced during this whole renovation process?
Challenges, I think main challenges definitely we do a lot with the feng shui right? Mainly how to configure the space and how to implement design with feng shui together. And I think that is one of the challenges I face.
Not sure. What about for the both of you?
I think probably the biggest hurdle among us is I think that glass panel in the living room. It's massive, but it's aesthetically pleasing, beautiful, gorgeous. I think it was because it takes a lot of effort for the guys to bring up, and they need to bring it up by a stair, so it kind of broke 3 times. Yeah, but we managed to settle it, and then make it everything nice.
That's great. That's great. Finally in the house already. Yeah. Yourself?
Myself, I think one of the biggest hurdle is the covering up the sliding door at the study room with the lighting and all those nicely done up. Yeah, because looking at the carpenter trying very hard to put up the carpentry to hide up the glass door and all those, it's really a pretty hard work. Yeah.
And everything turned out very nicely also.
Yeah, definitely.
That's great. That's great to hear, guys. Thank you so much.